So you want to see how I turned this simple blazer dress into this? Stay tuned and I'll give you the details. It's a short video. You can watch it. Alright y'all, so I am back again with another simple DIY. This one was so easy, but it made a really great impact. So as you've seen, I had that blazer dress at the beginning of the video. I got it from SheIn, super duper cute. But I wanted something just a little bit more fancy to wear to the Barbie premiere. So what I did was I got two tutus that I had purchased from Walmart last year for the Halloween sale. They ended up being like, I think $1 a piece. I had a light blue one and a pink one. Y'all, all I did was took out the seam in the side of the tutu, just literally where it was stitched together to make it round at, on both of the pink and the blue ones, and I hand stitched them to the bottom of the blazer dress. That was it. Absolutely it. Super duper simple, super duper easy, and it made such a really great impact on this blazer. Took maybe an hour, if that, to stitch it onto the bottom, but once I got done, it was so cute. So cute, y'all. I made sure to sew it on the under part of the blazer so that you couldn't see it on top. But look, it came out so well. It came out well. I absolutely loved it. I love the little space in the front that I left. This was me trying to model, and the little ones was like, nope, we're going to ruin your video. But y'all, look. It came out so cute. And if you wonder why I'm walking like that, I got them little Mary Janes from SheIn too. And them mugs was killing my feet. I got baby girl's outfit in the front. I got her outfit from SheIn too. And it's so cute. They look so adorable.